let's make contingent workforce planning a little easier. Organizations opt for contingent workers for flexibility, cost savings, and access to highly specialized skills. The truth is that this initial flexibility will inevitably turn into complexity without the right contingent workforce planning and management. Early adoption is crucial and prevents risks in the future. Remember, growing management demands for your contingent workforce is inevitable, and there are solutions. After all, there's a lot to consider: compliance, visibility, classification, and risk mitigation, just to name a few. Contingent workforce planning and management is an ongoing process that requires constant visibility. If you haven't already, consider a vendor management system, which allows for greater visibility across your organization's entire contingent workforce. In addition to greater insight, adopting business-wide processes and procedures, as well as ensuring communication between HR and procurement, will set the foundation for your contingent workforce strategy and success. Lacking these essential elements of contingent workforce management will eventually result in mismanagement. Embrace breaking down the silos between departments and adopting new technology to alleviate some of the pressures of contingent workforce management. In addition to improving cross-functionality between departments, a total workforce management approach will allow you to better identify resources. That means identifying talent across all workers, traditional employees, contingent workers, and technology. Beyond adopting the use of VMS technology and a total workforce management strategy, access to support and resources is essential. Procom has prepared a list of checklists and guides you can download in the description below to assist you with contingent workforce planning and management. For over 45 years, Procom has been tailoring IT staffing solutions that align with your unique needs.